Hey guys, Cam here from 9to5google.com, and last week Fonesalesman, the company behind the LG G4 Power Patch I showed you recently, announced that it is launching a side table with built-in wireless charging. FurniQi is furniture with a Qi standard charging unit embedded. It's made from sustainable bamboo and is designed to remove the usual clutter associated with having wireless chargers lying around. Now, you'll notice that the number of contents is kept to a minimum. There are 4 bolts and an Allen key or a hex key for screwing them into the table. Then there's the main round surface of the table, which you'll notice has a laser cut circle outline on the top. Underneath there are 4 holes for the legs, 4 with metal treads for the bolts, and the embedded wireless charging unit. The other package contents include a small bag with a few cable tidying clips and the tan brown USB to micro USB cable. This is designed to match the wood colour as close as possible and make them almost semi-camouflaged. There are also 4 felt pads with adhesive on one side for sticking underneath the table's feet. Then there are the legs, and they come in 2 pairs, both with a cutout in the middle for locking them together. Once we've unpacked it all and cleared some space, we can start putting it all together, and it really couldn't have been any simpler. The legs only fit one way and cross over each other diagonally, slotting into the round holes in the underside of the table. Once in place, you can feed the bolts through and screw them into place using the provided hex key, making sure they're good and tight before continuing. Next, I put the sticky felt pads on each of the legs before turning my attention to the wood puck. That's the name given to the wireless charger in the table. Right next to the charger is a wide channel that's been routed into the wood. I stuck a cable clip in and then plugged the micro USB cable into the wireless charger and then fed it through that cable clip. After that, it's a case of running the cable down the back of one of the legs to hide it from view, using the other cable clips. And then it's ready to use. You can plug it into a USB outlet and you have power. And what I love about the finish is that it's clean and completely flush. There's no protruding charger. It's no different really to just putting your phone down on any other table, except this one charges it as long as you put your phone down in the right place. I tested it on both the Nexus 6, which has built-in wireless charging, and the LG G4, which I've adapted to make it compatible. If you want to know how I did that, I'll leave a link to that video in the description box. Now, as an overall idea, it's actually quite neat. If you want to get your hands on the FurniQi side table, head over to the company's Indiegogo page where you can pledge $120 and get one by Christmas if you're one of the early pledgers. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter. You can follow me there, ask me anything you like, or use the comment section down below. And I'll see you again soon.